Make a great choice today with
the 2026 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, variable speed, intermittent wipers, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.